Hi everyone, and welcome to Spoon Harbor. Juicy chicken, flavorful rice, earthy mushrooms, and a 24-hour marinade. This is one of the most delicious chicken recipes I've ever made. Let's start with the marinade. You'll need whole chicken, 2.5 kilograms, water, 2.5 liters, salt, 113 grams, black pepper, 1 teaspoon, sugar, 28 grams, bay leaves, 3, allspice berries, 4, ground nutmeg, 1 teaspoon, whole cloves, 4. Pour the water into a large pot. Add the sugar, the salt, the black pepper, the cloves, the allspice, the nutmeg, and the bay leaves. Cover with a lid. Heat the marinade over low heat, stirring occasionally. There's no need to bring it to a boil. Simply warm it until the salt and sugar dissolve completely and the spices release their flavor. Remove the marinade from the heat and let it cool to room temperature. Then strain it through a fine mesh sieve. Place the chicken into the cooled marinade. Refrigerate for 24 hours. Now let's make a fragrant garlic herb butter. You'll need unsalted butter, softened, 85 grams, zest of 1 lemon, fresh dill, 14 grams, fresh rosemary, 3 sprigs, salt, 1 pinch, black pepper, 1 pinch, garlic, 5 cloves. Add the lemon zest to the softened butter. Finely chop the dill, then add it to the butter. Peel the garlic, press it through a garlic press, and add it to the butter. Season with salt and black pepper. Add the rosemary, transfer the herb butter to a container, and freeze it for 1 hour. Now let's prepare the stuffing. You'll need rice, 200 grams, water, 540 milliliters, mushrooms, 500 grams, vegetable oil, 32 grams, onions 2, salt, 8 grams, black pepper, 1 gram, paprika, 6 grams, garlic, 5 cloves, butter, 50 grams. Rinse the rice twice under cold water. Transfer it to a saucepan, pour in the water, and add a pinch of salt. Cover with a lid. Once it comes to a boil, remove the lid and give it a quick stir. Cover again and cook over low heat for 15 minutes. Transfer the rice to a bowl and let it cool slightly. Take the frozen herb butter out of the freezer and slice it into thin pieces. I also cut 6 small butter cubes. You'll see why in just a moment. Dice the onions. Slice the mushrooms into wedges. Heat a skillet. Add the vegetable oil, the rosemary, the garlic, a small pinch of salt, and the butter. Cook everything gently over low heat, so the butter absorbs all the flavors from the herbs and garlic. Remove the rosemary and garlic. We'll use this fragrant butter to cook the onions and mushrooms. Cook, stirring occasionally. Season with salt, black pepper, and paprika. Mix well. Fold the mushrooms into the rice. Mix everything together until well combined. The stuffing is ready. Take the chicken out of the marinade. Pat it completely dry with paper towels. Carefully loosen the skin from the meat and tuck slices of the herb butter underneath. As the chicken roasts, the butter slowly melts, basting the meat from the inside and keeping it incredibly juicy. Return the remaining 6 butter cubes to the freezer for now. Place the chicken in a comfortable position for stuffing and fill it generously with the rice and mushroom mixture. Some of the stuffing goes inside the chicken. Don't worry about the rest. I'll show you exactly what to do with it next. So the opening closed using a regular needle and cotton thread. Prepare a roasting bag by tying one end. Spread the remaining stuffing inside the roasting bag around the chicken. As it roasts, the rice will soak up all those delicious chicken juices. Tie the chicken legs together using one of the roasting bag ties to help keep the stuffing securely inside. Now for those frozen butter cubes. Place each cube on a toothpick and insert it into the chicken breast wherever there isn't any skin. As the butter melts, it keeps the breast extra juicy. Seal the roasting bag and transfer the chicken to the oven. Bake using conventional top and bottom heat at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 60 minutes. After 60 minutes, remove the chicken from the oven. Carefully cut, open the roasting bag, and brush about 25 grams of melted butter over the chicken breast. Return it to the oven for another 20 minutes until beautifully golden brown. Remove the chicken from the oven. The best way to check for doneness isn't by the clock. It's by the juices. They should run completely clear. Transfer the chicken to a serving platter and arrange the rice and mushrooms around it. By now, they've absorbed all the flavorful roasting juices. Don't forget to remove all 6 toothpicks from the chicken breast. Now for the best part. Slice the chicken right down the center of the breast and gently open it up to reveal the stuffing inside. Just look at that stuffing. Light, fluffy, juicy, and packed with flavor. Serve a tender chicken leg over a bed of aromatic rice and enjoy. Cook with love, and remember, you can absolutely make this. See you in the next recipe.